Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. So let's get start without wasting time. First of all, go back to your home screen and then open up settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi and then forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is tap on the setting and then scroll down, tap on general and then tap on date and time. This toggle is off, turn it on. I'm already on and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open up settings app and then scroll down, tap on general and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Give your password and then tap on reset network setting and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open settings app, scroll down, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Give your passcode and then tap on reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data in video will be deleted and you check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is remove the Telegram app and then shut down your device after 15 seconds and then again install your Telegram app and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.